Hello, everybody. I would like to say something about tema of my workshop. The last 10 years, I'm focusing of all my attention on opportunities and blockades and obstacles in the spiritual development of human beings. And what I wanted to say in Barcelona in my workshop, I would like to tell you something more about this tema, and I hope you will be happy because of that. And I would like, and it will be so nice for me to see you there, all of you. Thank you very much.